Let's take a little moment to really look at the analytical and global spectrum. This really is an important framework because it helps educators and learners to really understand the diverse ways that individuals process information and how they approach learning. And this really is going to enhance both our teaching strategies while also optimizing our learning experiences. So, analytical learners are very detailed. They want structure, they want systems, and they need approaches that are detailed and structured and systematic. This is a way they're going to be able to understand new information. They thrive on logic and reasoning, and they're going to excel in environments where they can analyze data, solve problems, and dissect very complex concepts. Let's take some time to look at these key characteristics. So, first, they really need a preference for structure. They appreciate organized information and they often prefer to learn through outlines, lists, and explicit instructions. Next, they're going to focus on details. They want to concentrate on specific elements of a subject and examine the intricacies and the relationships between ideas. They are logical problem solvers. They enjoy tackling problems step by step and using critical thinking to arrive at conclusions. They also are very methodical. They're going to follow a very linear path in their learning, and this requires clear processes to guide their studies. Let's look at the contrasts. They're global learners. They like a holistic approach to learning. They see the big picture and they're interested in how concepts are interconnected. While analytical learners are going to focus on details, global learners are going to be drawn to themes and ideas. Let's look at some of these key characteristics, like a big picture thinker. They like to grasp the overall concept before they delve into specifics. They need context and they need to have that big picture before they can really understand material fully. They have an intuitive understanding. They rely a lot on intuition and personal experiences to form their connections and to be able to process new information. They are creative problem solvers, so they thrive in situations that require innovative thinking and may approach problems from unconventional angles. Lastly, they're very flexible. They're going to probably jump between topics and ideas, and they like to explore connections rather than adhering to a strict linear path. So now comes the challenge. Now that you know the difference between an analytical and a global learner, you need to create learning opportunities that are going to embrace and really enhance the learning for these learners.